Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this product right here. It is a robotic vacuum cleaner. I absolutely love these. Today is my deep cleaning day, so I have not deep cleaned yet. I left the floors a little messier than I would have just for this video so I can use the vacuum and show you guys how it works. So right here it just says the name, Come Home to the Future. It has mop vibration, 3000 PA strong suction, G-Slam navigation system, carpet detection and auto boost, app control. I have my iPhone right here, you guys. If you have the new iPhone 15, you can use your new iPhone 15 with this robotic vacuum since it did just come out. 2600 mAh battery. And this is just what the box looks like. But those are the main features of the product. It even has like a little handle right here on the box, very convenient. So right here it says pull. I'm going to open it. Okay, so I pulled the tab right here where it said pull. I'm going to open it up, and this is what you see when you first open it. So it had this here for protection. It has this mopping pad right here, as you can see. And then right here it just has the warranty registration, so it does come with a warranty, and the user manual. So this is the model D6s, and then it just has this right here, the quick start guide. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing right here, showing you guys everything that comes in the box. So this is the actual robot, and this is what it looks like. This is the plastic covering right here that you can peel off, which I will be doing right now before I use it. There you go, that's what it looks like. And then underneath right here, this is what it looks like. Pretty typical for a robotic vacuum cleaner, but it's all about the performance. And then in here we just have, ooh, this is something I've never seen a robotic vacuum come with of the ones that I've had, so that's pretty cool. It is a remote for the vacuum, and it also comes with batteries, very convenient. A lot of things that I have reviewed that have come with things like this that need batteries typically do not come with the batteries. You have to provide the batteries, so it's very convenient that the batteries come with it. And then right here is another mopping attachment. So what I showed you guys before, this is just an extra one. Again, very convenient. Always need a backup one in case one gets dirty and you have to wash it. And this is what that looks like, and it just goes right here on the bottom when you are in mopping mode. Also very convenient, guys. It comes with an extra spin brush. I'm not sure if it's the exact name for this attachment right here, but it comes with an extra one of those. And then over here are these strips that you would put on the floor when you have the robot up and running, where you do not want the robot to go. Again, if you have stairs, or if you don't want it to go in a certain room, if you just want to cover certain areas of your home, you just block it off with this strip right here, and the robot will not go past these strips. It'll stop it. And then over here is just the charging cord, I would assume. The power cord, charging cord. And then right here is the charging station. So I'm going to take the plastic off before we use it, of course. And then this part right here, the little silver metal part, will plug in to the charging station right here. And then this will go into the wall, and it'll charge right here with these two parts right onto these two parts. And this is a replacement filter, very convenient. So this robotic vacuum comes with a lot of replacements and extra accessories that go to the robotic vacuum, which is, like I said, very convenient. Oh, almost forgot about this, you guys. So this is a cleaner brush, very important. If you guys have a lot of girls in your home like we do, there will be lots of hair on your floor. I do clean, I sweep, I mop, I vacuum. I do it all, and I do it all very often, but no matter what, when we run a robotic vacuum, Hair always gets stuck in here, and this is how you clean this out. Take that off, and you take that out, and you just replace it like that when you're finished, and then put this back on. But again, this is the cleaner brush right here, and the little blade right here that you see on the top is to clean this right here. Get the hair out, or string, anything that may get stuck in there. You clean it like that, and you see how sharp it is. It'll clean it pretty good. It'll slice all the hair, or like I said, if there's any string or anything that gets caught in here, if you use that, it will get it right out. So very convenient. And then of course, this part right here on the end will also get some things out of the brush as well. It's like a little, I don't know how to describe it, but you can see. You can also get some things out of there as well. And then dust, dirt, anything else you have to clean out of there, you just sweep it off. So yeah, very handy tool to have with a robotic vacuum. So I'm going to replace this part right here. Right here, this is the power on and pause button. Here's the little Wi-Fi symbol. And then this is the home button. If you press that, it'll go back to its home, which is also the base right here. So on the actual remote right here, it just has the name brand, and it has the home button right at the top. In the middle, it has arrows if you want to manually direct it, a start and pause button right here in the middle. And then it has some other buttons, settings as well that I will be reading about inside of the user manual. But for now, I'm going to set up the base station in the wall and show you guys how that part works and how you charge the robotic vacuum. So here is the charging station. I'm going to set it there. Here's the power cord. We're going to plug it into the wall and plug this part right under here. And you know that it's working whenever the green light turns on. So that's perfect. Okay, so let's turn the robot on. I would assume it has some charge to it.
Welcome to your robot vacuum cleaner.
So let's press the home button.
Start recharging.
It found the base. It's so smart.
Charging.
That fast. The robot found its charging station. You can see everything is lit up green, which means it is charging. So while the vacuum is charging, I'm going to put the batteries in the remote and use the QR code, scan the app with my iPhone, and get the app going. Okay, so I have the batteries in the remote. They are 2 AAA batteries. So we have that ready to use if I want to use that. So we'll put that there. Now we're going to use my iPhone to scan the QR code and get the app going. So when it's all charged and ready, then we can start using it. So it'll take you right to the app, and this is what it looks like. You just press get. And then right here, you just press install. Okay, so it is downloading and installing. We're going to press open. Would like to send you notifications, so you press allow, and then agree. So this is what it looks like. It just says, hi, welcome to Ultenic, come home to the future. So we're going to create an account since I do not have one yet. So I thought my Bluetooth was on, but apparently it's not. So I have to go to my settings and turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth is on, you can see. Okay, it says right here that everything is turned on, location permission, allow Bluetooth usage, and enable Bluetooth. So let's go back here, added the device already, discover, French fries, roasted chicken, fried chicken, potato wedges. What is this? Chicken parmesan, grilled cheese. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is about. Category, beef, chicken, pork, fish, seafood, potato, vegetable, pastry, pizza. I wouldn't say this has anything to do with the robotic vacuum, but okay. This is actually for a different device that could be connected. So now we're gonna go to the profile. No nicknames set yet. Family group management, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Siri, IFTTT. Those are the third-party services. go back right here. Okay, so add device, cleaning appliances. This one is the model D6s, so that is right here. So I thought I had the correct device connected, but I did not.
Please refer to the schematic diagram steps to operate the device to enter the network configuration mode.
So now that the correct device is connected, it is now working properly, as you can see. Okay, so it's showing you here, press the power button, then long press the power button and the home button at the same time for 5 seconds. The voice will sound, the button light will blink, and connect the network. Okay, so that makes sense. Check the list below. Device indicator flashing. Place the device in a location with good Wi-Fi signal, which we have, and have a good 2.4 GHz network. 5 GHz not supported. Okay, we have both, so we will make sure we use the 2.4. Okay, we're gonna press ready to go. So I'm gonna go over to the vacuum and get started. And I do wanna show you just how simple it is for the warranty registration. You just register by scanning this QR code right here, and it's as simple as that. And then you just register your device, so then you activate your warranty in case anything shall happen to your product. You have the warranty, there's an extended warranty, faster service, exclusive coupons, and super VIP. So make sure you guys do that. And again, there is their customer support email as well. Okay, so right here on my iPhone, you can see start network
In the
connection.
Wi-Fi list, please select and connect to the current home Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Note that only 2.4G networks are supported.
So we're going to select our Wi-Fi and then put in our password.
To select the Wi-Fi starting with Ultenic in the mobile phone Wi-Fi list.
So you see it tells you step by step. Okay, so we are going to press connect right here. Wi-Fi. So I'm in my Wi-Fi right now. I am connected to the Wi-Fi. Password is entered.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
Okay.
Please follow the app prompt to connect to the network.
Okay, so now it says that the Wi-Fi is connected. Now I'll be able to find it in my Wi-Fi. Makes sense. So kind of did it backwards, but I figured it out and it was super easy to figure out. Common sense, very easy. And then you can see right here on my Wi-Fi list is the Ultenic. Okay, it just said connecting, please wait, allow.
Connecting. Please wait.
Super simple,
Just
guys.
connect to Wi-Fi.
It's all self-explanatory. I have not had to open the user manual this whole time. That's how easy and self-explanatory it is, and super simple to set up, which is something that I love about the product because I do not like reading directions, you guys. Even with recipes, I just pretty much do my own recipes, like my own little measurements. I do not like directions at all, so I just kind of try to do things without directions, and not everything is as easy as it seems without reading directions. But this product right here, definitely as easy as I am making it seem. Super easy and simple to set up. You can see the Wi-Fi is now set up. It is not blinking anymore, which means it is connected, and you can see right here that it is on 65% as far as being charged. So we're going to let it charge a little bit longer, 0 minutes, and this is how much space it's covered so far, which is obviously 0 because we have not started it yet. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory, like I said. So while it's charging a little bit longer, I will show you guys inside the user manual. It does say what's inside the box and the technical term for. So this is what this strip looks like right here when you open it. It's pretty heavy. But if you unroll it, you will see that there's like no sticky part. I'm having a hard time doing this with one hand. You can see that on both sides it is not sticky, and this is what the 3M double-coated tape, I guess it is. It says this is the 3M double-coated tissue tape. So that's what this is used for. So you can make the boundary stick to the ground so the vacuum does not go to the areas that you do not want it to go to. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the 3M double-sided tissue tape on the border. Put it right here for the video, just so it does not go past there. There we go. This is what the border looks like. I didn't go all the way to the end right here, but that's okay. So it's curled up a little bit. So this will ensure that the robotic vacuum does not go past the border. Okay, so back to the iPhone. You can see right here that it's on 70%, which is fine. And you can see it is over here still charging. We are going to press auto.
Start auto cleaning.
And it's going to start auto cleaning. And you can see it went around the bottom of the chair right here. It has sensors on it, so it knows exactly where it's going and what it's doing, where the walls are, where objects are. And it has a cleaning pattern that it will be following. It sensed that the toy was right there. Component, and then the plastic that was on the front. And it still performed well, even with me forgetting to take those pieces off of the robot. And I'm sure it'll perform even better now, of course. But it's very smart. It even detected where certain things were, even with these little pieces still in. So, very, very cool. Like I said, I needed to deep clean. And right here, you can see all the dust that it's getting, the dog fur. This is the door that leads out to the back, and this is where the dog is let in and out of the house. So there's probably going to be a lot of dirt right here and dog fur, since like I said, today is deep cleaning day and I was waiting to do this video before I did deep clean to see how well the vacuum performed. And so far so good. It's getting all the crevices, so I don't have to, which is a big help. You can now shop the biggest annual sale of the year from AliExpress. Black Friday sales start from now until November 29th. You can use our discount code AEBLKFRI, $25 off of $100 of your order. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you check out the links and codes in the description box and take advantage of this discount and all of their Black Friday sales. Okay, so it's going over to the boundary tape right here. And it is not going any farther than the tape. So it worked, you guys. Perfect. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen, working its way around. So while it's in here in the kitchen, I'm going to check my iPhone and see what the app says that the robot is doing now, and show you guys how much it's covered and everything that's showing up on the app with the way it is cleaning. Okay, so as it is in the kitchen cleaning, you can see right here, it says that it is auto cleaning. It's on 61%. It's been running for 5 minutes, and that's how much it's covered. And it shows you right here everywhere that the vacuum has covered. So you can pause it right here from your phone as well. And there are different settings right here. Deep cleaning ×2, the edges, designated areas, and mopping, but it is on auto right now, so I'm just letting it do its thing, letting it clean the way that it wants to, and I feel like it's doing a pretty good job. You can see it right there. A little louder, I guess you could say, than it was before, like it's working extra hard, so it's definitely deep cleaning. Okay, so now I'm going to press the edge button right here. And that means it's going to go around all of the edges, it looks like. So let's see what it does. So far it looks like it's going around the edge of everything, which is self-explanatory. Which is what I think would be most helpful for me, because that's where all the dirt, debris, and dog fur, for some reason that's where it settles. To the next edge of the wall, into the living room, sensing the furniture. So I'm back on the app, checking on my phone. It's been running on the edges for about 3 minutes. So now I'm going to switch to designate. And we're gonna see what it does now. So it did just turn off. Okay, so here we go. So this is the little designated area that it's working extra hard in. So say you have kids or an animal and they spill something in a designated area. That's what this feature is for. It'll stay in that designated spot and work extra hard to clean up that specific mess that was made. And you can see right here on the app that it ran for 1 minute, how much it covered. It's at 50% now, and it shows you the little designated area right there. Basically, you place it in the designated area that you want it to clean, and it senses. Then you press the designate button, and then it senses the mess that you want cleaned up. Okay, so next would be mopping. So now I'm going to put the mopping pad on, and last but not least, show you guys the mopping feature. So this is what it looks like when I finished the sweeping. You guys can see the little dirt and debris that it did pick up right here and right here. You guys can see right here too. Definitely did a good job. And that's all that's in there. A little bit of hair, so I'll get that off. I don't necessarily need this part for it because it's not much hair, but I could use this part right here, of course. Scrape it off, which I'm gonna go do in the trash right now actually. And then right here, I will use this part to dust it like that out of this spot so it doesn't get back onto the floor, and go empty it into the trash. So I'd say it did a very good job for the little time that it did just run that I showed you guys. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to empty this out and show you guys the mopping feature. Okay, so I have the little mopping part right here to the vacuum. So I did have to read the user manual and figure out how exactly to do this part. And it shows you right here how to do it. So once you read it, it's super simple and easy. So you just pull that down right here. There's a little lever and you pull this out right here. And you can see right there, it comes right out. And then right here is the dog hair that it picked up, you guys. This is even more than I knew that it picked up. So it did a lot more work than I even thought it did. So I'm going to obviously clean this part out right now, empty this part into the trash. And right here is where the filter goes. Right there, you can see that's the filter, and it came with a replacement one. Okay, so I emptied this part out into the trash, so that is done. And then right here, you can see that this is the water tank. There's a drop of water. You open this up and you fill it up. So let's go to the sink. I have the water in here. I sealed it back up. Now we're going to put this part on it, which is also super self-explanatory. So you can see right here on this side, there's like 2 little spots that looks like something would click into. So I have this part right here, which is the mopping part. This is also self-explanatory. You can see on the sides right here, there are 2 little slots that it looks like something would slide into. And it's orange. This part right here is orange. There's 2 little parts right here on the side that you can squeeze. So that would be how you get this part off. But as far as getting it on to put the robot into mopping mode, you just basically set it on top like this, and then you put it on like that, and it is on. So you can see that it's on. And then to get it off, push the side buttons, and it comes right off. So super simple and super easy. So let's get it back on and start mopping. You just basically slide it right in, hear it click, and you can see that it is on. So it's ready to be turned back on and put into mopping mode. So let's turn it back on.
Welcome to your robot vacuum cleaner.
Okay, so let's go to the app and of course use the mopping mode.
Please refer to the schematic diagram steps to operate the device to enter the network configuration mode.
We're going to mop now.
Start mopping.
Okay, it says it's going to start mopping. So it senses there's a toy right there. The little takes ride on. And then there's a bumper car right here, so it senses that. You can see all my fingerprints on here, you guys. Already brand new out of the box, and I'm leaving fingerprints on it. So you can see right here, it's leaving a little trail behind it because it is mopping, so it's leaving a little wet trail. So let's check on my app and see what it's saying on the app for the mopping. So now it's at 49%, 46%. It's been running for 11 minutes mopping, and that's how much footage it's covered. And it shows you that it's mopping, of course, and you can pause it right from your phone. But it shows you that's where the mop is at right now, the little circle, and you can see it moving as well. Okay, so let's pause it and go to recharge. So it shows you right here that it's going to go right back to the base to start charging. It is on 45%, so let's see if it finds its way back home. You can see the buttons turn yellow, and it's slowly but surely making its way home.
Charging.
And it is charging. So that is basically everything for this video, you guys, with the Ultenic robotic vacuum cleaner. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. This will definitely be put to use. It will be very convenient for me, and I'm so excited for the help with cleaning from this robotic vacuum cleaner that I do not have, well, that I have now, that I have not had in a very, very, very long time. Like I said, I do all the cleaning. I don't get help, so this will help me so much. All the links and the codes will be in the description box below for you guys. Make sure you guys go check them out. You definitely don't want to miss out on this robotic vacuum. You want to grab one before they're all sold out, because I'm sure by how amazing this robotic vacuum is, it will be sold out soon. In the description box, click the links and you can purchase your own. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we hope to see you all on our next video. Bye, guys.